Hi, my name is Alexis Taylor, and this is my presentation on the Funny Elephant Toothpaste experiment. What you're going to need for this experiment is soap. I chose to use this soap. Water, hydrogen peroxide. It asked for 10%, but all I could access was 3%. Yeast and food coloring. Step one, you start off with hydrogen peroxide. I used about a third cup of hydrogen peroxide and poured it into a bowl. Then you're going to add a couple drops of your food coloring. I chose the color pink, my favorite color. Then you're going to add in a few drops of your soap. And then with this, you're going to mix everything together. And then you're going to put that to the side, and then you're going to focus on your yeast. So in a measuring cup, I put 1 pouch of yeast. And then I warmed up some water, a little hot. And then I poured that into the measuring cup. Then I stirred it together until it kind of dissolved and created a soupy mixture. It took me a little while to mix it because it seemed to get clumpy a little bit, but I just kept adding a little bit more water and just kept mixing it all together. Then your next step is to bring back your mixture of soap, hydrogen peroxide, and food coloring, and then you're going to add the yeast mixture into the bowl. You can see with the outcome, you can start seeing as you're looking at the pictures that when you add the yeast to the mixture, it starts to foam a little bit. And then here is the final solution of when you add everything together. It created the foam with the different colors and turned pink. This is the final project of the Funny Elephant Toothpaste experiment. Thank you so much.